Hello kids, how are you? Hope you're fine. My name is Teacher Teresa and I'm here to teach you. We are going to read sounds. I'm going to teach you how to read sound A up to F. But before reading sound, I want to sing for you a nice song of sound. Jolly Phonics. Let's start. Auntie Mariam, Auntie Mariam, they causing me alarm. Bring your bat and bring your ball, bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. We are clicking carsones, cuckoo. We are clicking carsones, cuckoo. We are clicking carsones. Clicking carsones, we are clicking carsones, cuckoo. See me playing on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with a do. See me play up on my drum. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, egg. My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It's got a hole, the air came out. Well done. Okay, now we are going to read sounds. Okay, let's start. Sound A. Say sound A. Apple. Apple. This is sound A. Apple. B. Ball. Sound B. Ball. Ball. K. Sound K. Cup. 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 Sound D. Dog. 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 Sound A. Elephant. Elephant. Sound Fish. Fish. Say sound Fish. Well done. Okay, let's repeat again. Apple. Again, say A. Say A. Apple. Pat your head and say A. Again, A. Apple. Well done. This sound B. Can you say the sound B? Ball. Ball. Clap your hands and say B. Ball. Ball. Again, ball. Wow, we have K. Say K. Cup. Cup. Click your fingers and say K. Again, K. Well done. Wow, we have sound D. I want you to pat your chest and say D. Pat your chest, D. Dog. Again, D. This is sound D. Well done. Wow, we have A. Elephant. Elephant. Wow, nod your head and say elephant. 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 Again, elephant. Well done, kids. Wow. We have sound fish. Fish. Well done. Okay. Let's pat our lap and say fish. Pat your lap. Fish. Again. Fish. Well done. It's the end of our lesson. Thank you.